It does not need to be perfect. The more perfect you sound, the less this looks like a friend in their news feed. Sitting in the car, sunglasses on, all the things you can do to not look like a realtor, you will do much better. Okay. So this is an open audience, which means he just took 15 miles of this zip code and it's going to show to everyone. And what happens is, as the Facebook algorithm gets more data, it says, here's one lead and here's all the stuff about them. Here's another lead and all the stuff about them. And it keeps getting smarter and smarter. So your lead cost usually goes down because it's getting in front of the right type of people. Unfortunately, it goes to 18 to 90-year-olds, and there's no 18, 19, 20-year-olds buying houses right now. So it's eventually going to say, okay, people that are 35 to 45 are the ones that are clicking on this. Let's show it to more people that way. The algorithm does the work. Let the computer do its work, but you got to feed it the data that it needs in order to make that happen. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.